Laptop computer spins onto the screen, opens, and displays ATP Education Program webinar series, closes, and then spins off the screen.
Every student deserves a quality education, with the tools they need to explore, discover, create, and achieve their full potential. Chromebooks help extend and expand the modern learning experience to more students, including those with disabilities and diverse approaches to learning. Chromebooks include accessibility right out of the box, unlocking learning experiences for students with diverse needs, abilities, and learning styles. This video will explore a variety of built-in accessibility features for any student who may need assistance with writing. Welcome to this video where we will learn about dictation in Chromebooks. The dictation feature, Chromebook voice typing, is one of the newer additions to the accessibility lineup, and it's awesome. Voice typing is a great option for students who are slow typers, poor spellers, or need some extra help getting their thoughts on paper. The feature is also customizable to meet the unique language needs of its users. With the right configurations, Chromebooks can make a person's life a bit more efficient. Most adult smartphone users will be familiar with the concept of voice typing. A user can do this same thing on a Chromebook. One way to do this is by enabling system-wide dictation. With this system enabled, the user can speak to their Chromebook and whatever app they have open will turn that speech into text. The user will see a microphone on the dock if the dictation feature is activated. When the user talks out loud, the words will then be typed into the document the user is currently working in. The one downside to the feature is it does not recognize when punctuation is needed within the sentence. This requires a user to say period, question mark, or other punctuation so it is included in the sentence structure. The document can also be edited after dictated by simply typing in the necessary punctuation. Let's walk through the steps to find the feature in the Chromebook and turn it on and off. To start, open the Chrome browser on your Chromebook. Click the three vertical dots, sometimes referred to as the snowman, in the right-hand corner of the screen. Then find Settings at the bottom and click on it. On the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down to Accessibility and click. Two options pop up in the center of the screen. Click on the Manage Accessibility Features option. This opens a box with 6 accessibility categories to select from. To find dictation, click the arrow next to Keyboard and Text Input. Click the toggle switch to the right to turn the dictation feature on. Once dictation is enabled, the user can then select a language preference to meet the user's unique needs. To change to a different language, simply click the Change button located to the right of the language field, and scroll through the list to find the language that the user prefers. Select the language and click Update at the bottom. Welcome to this video where we will learn about the on-screen keyboard within a Chromebook. This is a really awesome feature in Chromebooks, and one that has a multitude of additional features built into it. This is a feature that may be utilized by someone using an eye gaze system, or by someone whose Chromebook also doubles as a tablet. It might come as a surprise that the Chromebook, a device that has a physical keyboard, also has an on-screen keyboard. This is the same experience that a user may have on their phone or tablet. The on-screen keyboard may be used by individuals who use eye tracking software to navigate their device. It is also activated if the user has a Chromebook that converts into a tablet. As you can see, it is easy to turn on with the toggle switch, and the additional features that are included are easy to find and activate. Once you turn the keyboard on, a user will see a keyboard icon on the dock in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. The user just needs to click on the icon and the keyboard will pop up in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. This feature also has several other fun built-in customizations that a user can access, including a clipboard. Draw to type feature, emoji symbols, and speech to text. At first glance, the on-screen keyboard is pretty normal. But if you take a closer look, there are some pretty cool options included on the keyboard. Clipboard. The clipboard icon will clip whatever you have on an open screen. This is a relatively new feature. Draw to type. Click the squiggly line on the keyboard, and the user can draw to type. This could be a fun way to help elementary students practice their writing skills. Emoji keyboard. Just like a cell phone, the Chromebook on-screen keyboard gives a user access to hundreds of emoji characters. Dictation. The speech-to-text feature is baked right into the on-screen keyboard, making it easy to write, type, or speak your content onto the screen. Mini keyboard. This can be a useful tool. You can pop out the on-screen keyboard into a mini screen that floats on top of your other windows. This is convenient if you need the keyboard for emoji or special math symbols. Now that we have learned about the on-screen keyboard and all of the great added features, let's walk through the steps to find the feature in the Chromebook and turn it on and off. To start, open the Chrome browser on your Chromebook, click the 3 vertical dots in the right-hand corner of the screen, often referred to as the snowman, then find Settings at the bottom and click on it. On the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down to Accessibility, then Manage Accessibility Features, in the center of the screen, and scroll down until you find Enable On-Screen Keyboard. You will notice a toggle switch on the right side of the screen. When you click here, it turns the feature on. You will see a keyboard icon pop up at the bottom of your screen indicating the keyboard is active. To turn it back off, simply click the toggle switch again and the keyboard icon will disappear indicating the feature is not active. Welcome to this video where we will learn about auto-click and how the feature can be customized for a variety of user needs. This feature is helpful for individuals who are unable to use both hands, or for younger students who struggle to click effectively. To find the feature in the Chromebook and turn it on and off, start by opening the Chrome browser on the Chromebook. Click the 3 vertical dots, sometimes referred to as the snowman, in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Scroll down to Settings at the bottom and click on it. On the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down to Accessibility and click, then Manage Accessibility Features, in the center of the screen and click again. This will open 6 accessibility categories. Find the Cursor and Touchpad category and click the arrow to the right. To activate or turn off the feature, simply click the toggle button. Whoever named this feature did a great job. The auto-click feature, when enabled, will automatically press the item on the screen the user wants to click on. A circle will appear around the mouse cursor. When the cursor stops, the circle fills up and then a click is enabled. Essentially, all a user needs to do is drag and place the cursor over whatever they want to click on, and it will be clicked automatically. As you can see, auto-click is activated, and when I hover over something I want to click on, it does it for me automatically. This is a great option for a student who is unable to use both hands, isolate to click, or for younger students who are still learning how to isolate and click effectively. A user can customize the feature as well with things like delay before click, ignore minor cursor movement, cursor area size, and revert to a left click after action. We will discuss these features individually later in the video. Auto-click has several additional features that can be enabled to customize the user's experience. First, we have delay before click. This allows the user to customize how long it will take before the auto-click happens. This can be set from 0.6 seconds up to 4 seconds, which you can change by clicking the drop-down arrow. As you can see, with this customization activated, there is a delay before the click is initiated. Next, we have Ignore Minor Cursor Movement. If the cursor is moved just slightly, a user will not activate the click feature. Cursor area size allows a user to adjust the size of the ring from extra small to extra large using the drop-down arrow. Revert to left click after action will automatically return to left click after other actions, like a right click or double click.
Thank you for watching. For more information on the ATP education program, please visit our website at atp.nebraska.gov/education or email us at atp.education@nebraska.gov.